Welcome to dptutorials. In this video, you will learn how to automatically enter a serial number in Excel when a cell has a value. Using this technique, you can streamline your data entry process and ensure accurate and consistent serial numbering. Here in this Excel, we are having data from column C onwards like this with some blank rows in between. Choose a column where you want to enter the serial numbers excluding the blank rows. Say column B. Go to cell B3 and type the formula as equals to if, open the parenthesis, select the C3 and give the condition as not equals to blank, comma, count A, open the parenthesis, select C3 and lock both the ways, colon, select C3, close the parenthesis, comma, if false, give inverted quotes and close the parenthesis and press enter to see the result as 1. Drag the fill handle of the formula cell down to apply the formula to the remaining cells in the column. The serial numbers will be automatically generated when cells in the column C have values. To test the formula, enter values in the monitored column. The corresponding cells in the serial number column will populate with sequential numbers. Got it? You have learned how to automatically enter a serial number in Excel when a cell has a value. Using this method, you can streamline your data entry process and ensure accurate and consistent serial numbering. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more useful Excel tutorials.